Tired of guessing where to irrigate? Let me show you how to use GIS mapping on MAPOG to create smart irrigation plans, reduce water waste, and boost yields, in just a few steps. Go to story.mapog.com, click Create New Map, add a title, add description, hit Save. Go to Process Data and select GIS Data. Select your area of interest by district. Add layers, rivers, canals, farmland. Click Add to Map for each. Make it clear and colorful. Click the three dots next to any layer, select Style Layer, and adjust colors, opacity, and line thickness. Next, on the left menu, select Process Data Buffer Analysis. Pick your irrigation canal layer, choose All. Set a buffer, like 500 m, and click Submit. Change base map to satellite view for better interpretation. MAPOG highlights areas within 500 m of canals, showing well-irrigated zones. Zoom in and spot farmlands outside the buffer, these are likely dry. Go to Add Story, search for the farm which is dry and place the marker to that area. Confirm it and fill the title as Low Irrigation Field and fill the description and click Submit. To plan new irrigation routes, use Add Story to add manually, then add line to draw from rivers or lakes to dry fields. Add title, description, and other information. Label them as Proposed Irrigation Channel. Click on the Select Type Settings section, add new attribute type name, add several attributes under it and save it. When done, go to Publish and Share, set your map to public. That's it, you've built a powerful irrigation map with MAPOG. Ready to try? Visit story.mapog.com. Questions? Go to support@mapog.com.